Hey guys, working on a 2011 GMC Acadia, and we have codes for, let me check that. We have codes for, I'll take a picture of this, or I'll take a screenshot of it, but it's P2099. This is post-cat fuel trim system too rich. P0420, catalyst system efficiency too low, bank 1, and P0430, catalytic efficiency bank 2. So on this engine, this is a front wheel layout engine, even though this is all-wheel drive. So your bank 2 is over here, if I'm not mistaken, and your bank 1 is on this side. So basically, in layman's terms, what that code means is the car doesn't like the fuel or whatever the oxygen sensor is sensing past the catalytic converter. So the biggest thing to do is to start with the downstream oxygen sensors, and typically 8 times out of 10 that fixes your problem. If it doesn't fix your problem, you can attack the upstream sensors, and then if the upstream sensors doesn't fix your problem, then you more than likely need new catalytic converters. But anyway, I'm going to show you guys where the actual oxygen sensors are located on this car. Where the bank 1 exhaust comes at, where this U shape starts, your other oxygen sensor is right there. So I'm going to spray that one next. You have a locking tab. What I did was, let me see if I can get it in there. I bent that metal back. When you see it, it's going to be like tilted sideways. I think I took a picture. I bent the metal down, pulled the tab out, and I was able to pull it out facing in that downwards position like that. Now our oxygen sensor is right here, and let's work on getting that out. Wrench extender, come on baby, come on. There we go. Woo! Get some cutters, and then I slide my 7/8 all the way down here like this, and then once it's sitting here like this, see how it's sitting on the sensor? I have something called a wrench extender. Get my wrench extender like that. Make sure that this is nice and firm on there, and pop it out. So this is out. That's great. OEM part number is a Bosch 16089. Your parts, everything looks identical, and same sensor, so that's good. There we go. Alright, you guys, this oxygen sensor is in. It's too far back here. You're gonna have to just reach your hands back there. But remember what I said, I bent the metal down. It usually sits sideways like this. The metal's gonna sit like this. I tilted it down and I pulled that out. So, alright. Now let's come back, and we're going to go to erase, and we're going to click yes. Alright, let's start her up. And just like that, you guys, car's running. Thanks for watching. Till next time.